By Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can quickly create some ghostly type. Now, first thing to do, and I'm just going to quickly remove this, so I'm just going to quickly go over here to New, and then just go to Edit and Fill, make sure it's black, click OK. Now, add some type, obviously could be anything, add it in white, so I'm just going to select that, put that to white, and then it's going to be ghostly type. Of course, it could be anything you want, and it could be in any font as well. It doesn't have to be that, and it can be any size as well. Now, once you've actually done that, just flatten the image, and then go to Filter and Blur and Gaussian Blur. And I'm just going to go to about there. I don't want it to be completely utterly blurred out, so I just want it about that level. Click OK, and then once you've done that, go over to the gradient tool, and I'm just going to set the colour there to black. So set that to black, so I want black and white, and just go up here and select this default gradient, and then linear and overlay. So I'm just going to drag that down like that, and you can start at any point, and you can see straight away you can got this sort of. Now you can go so far and maybe decide I don't want it that far, so I've just maybe add it up there. Okay, I'm happy with that now. Now that's fairly ghostly already, and you can obviously continue this a bit more with filter and liquify. And again, you can vary the settings. Obviously you can set size, density, etc. I'm just going to go for these sort of values. Depends on obviously the size of file, the type itself, and then you just apply, just drag that up. And so you can read it still. Obviously you don't want it to be totally wiped out, and of course if you're not happy you can always restore it and then just go for maybe slightly different ghostly type, and of course you can apply other settings as well. Maybe that's a bit too big, just going to go there and sort of make that go out slightly more like that. Click OK, and there is quickly some ghostly type in Photoshop. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you very much.